Hello everyone, it's Amy Dabell, your Norwex independent consultant. I am here to introduce you to our revolutionary new product, the Power Cleaning Paste. It is so good. I've been using this for a while now, and it is an upgrade to a family favorite of ours, which is our cleaning paste. This is so gentle yet super effective. It is truly elbow grease in a jar. It delivers exceptional cleaning while minimizing waste and simplifying our routines. I get it, busy lives, they mean lots of messes, right? The stubborn dirt and grime left by the kids and grandkids and pets. We need a tough solution that is gentle on the environment with no harmful chemicals. This is extremely eco-friendly. It comes in a solid formula. It combines the power, it still smells good, and eco-friendliness, giving us remarkable results with just a teeny tiny amount. It cleans and it polishes. It provides long-lasting results. It's perfect for all sorts of tasks around the house and in the garage. It is better because it's cleaner and safer. It is a great formula that works very effectively without any harsh chemicals. It polishes so nicely, which is an upgrade from our older version, right? It doesn't have any SLS or SLES, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrances or dyes, and none of the things. Now let's talk about some benefits, what you're gonna love. First of all, it's simple and easy to use. It requires a very minimal effort for sparkling surfaces. It's also multi-purpose. It works on tons of different stains and marks really effortlessly. So even like rust stains and scuffs, it's great for multiple surfaces around the home, your sinks, your tubs, countertops, stainless steel, your doors, the doorknobs, right? Everything, and even things outside. And simple to use, just like our old one. You're gonna swipe with a damp Norwex microfiber cloth or use one of our sponges. I love the Speary sponge. Lather it up and then gently rub the surface to be cleaned and wipe away with your damp microfiber. For tougher jobs, use with additional cleaning tools like our Enviro scrub is great, or even the utility brush. So the ingredients in this are fantastic. Natural ingredients such as calcium carbonate, alumina, and sunflower seed oil with natural fragrances from essential oils. So what changed, right? What new technologies streamlined the formulation of this? Well, it reduced the overall number of ingredients needed without compromising the cleaning power. As I mentioned before, it contains no SLS, no synthetic fragrance, and no harmful preservatives. It is better. I've been using it for a couple months. It offers nearly a 9% improvement in efficacy compared to our previous cleaning paste, which I think is awesome. I noticed right off the bat, I was cleaning my office and the walls today. It was flawless. The usage and availability. You guys can use this on a ton of surfaces. You can get this as a standalone product, or it also comes in our sets, such as our Safe Haven 5, our Safe Haven Package Plus, as well as our Consultant Starter Kit. So the conclusion is, for me, the Power Cleaning Paste is a win. It offers a much more safer and effective solution for household cleaning with versatile applications and super eco-friendly benefits, right? Now let's dive into how Norwex is just amplifying our efforts to eliminate all harmful chemicals, right, from homes. You know, our goal is with each product that we have is to create formulas that are incredibly effective while eliminating typical chemicals that can harm our health and the environment. Our latest edition, which is the Power Cleaning Paste, is a prime example of that commitment. It leverages a new formulation and ingredient technologies that we've streamlined the formula without compromising any of the power. We've improved the surfactant in this as well as the preservative systems, and we've introduced a new naturally derived fragrance from essential oils, all while avoiding harmful chemicals like SLS, SLES, synthetic fragrance, as I mentioned. So moreover, the new formula, you are going to see an improvement of stain removal compared to our previous paste. So how can you get your hands on this, right? So starting April 1st, today, I'm not sure when you're watching this video, maybe 2030 by now, right? But you can get this today, moving forward as a standalone purchase or in our sets. I hope you love it as much as me, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for watching.